Welcome to Block of the Month by the Quilting Company. This lesson will be about the Three-Color Hourglass Units. They appear in block number 6 of the quilt pattern. Hi, I'm Jenny K. Parks. You're here to learn how to make three-color hourglass units, so let's get started. I often see people cut stacks of triangles to make hourglass units, and it makes me sad because there's an easier, faster, and more accurate way. For three-color hourglass units, start with 4 squares of 3 colors. 2 will be the same and 2 will be different. On the wrong side of the squares, using a ruler or seam guide, draw stitching lines diagonally across 2 corners. You can use a pencil, fabric marking pin, or pretty much whatever it takes to get the job done. Place right sides of the 2 different square colors together and sew the 2 stitching lines. Cut apart diagonally across the middle. Press towards the dark. If both colors are similar, pick one and always press towards it, and trim the dog ears. Mark the wrong side of the opposite diagonal on one unit. With opposite fabrics touching, snuggle the triangle squares together. Good thing we pressed in the same directions. Sew the 2 stitching lines as before. Cut apart diagonally across the middle. Press towards the dark, and trim the dog ears. This is a pretty cool trick. Winter Cheer Block of the Month, designed by Denise Russell, is brought to you by Riley Blake Fabrics, celebrating 10 years of providing high-quality fabrics to inspire and create.